Hey everybody, Dave, Naked Farmer 420. Hope you're doing well today. Had a couple of you ask me about how I'm getting so much, or how I'm getting these plants so big in these 3.5 gallon pots. Well, number one, I want to show you what I do as far as feeding while they're in flower. I know you guys see a lot of exaggeration here as far as the volume. Well, the reason is I can get away with that. These girls are heavily root bound, or definitely loaded with roots. And because of these types of pots, I can really soak them down like this and not have to worry about any access that they don't want staying for very long. So I just I go around the whole top of the pot, as you can see what I'm doing here. And I do have rosemary and 209 in my feed, and that's part of my IPM measurement. But I wanted to show you guys how I do this in flower. Now, in veg, I don't do this. In veg, I set and forget, and very, very seldom do I feed and or water. So it's a little bit different for that. But while I'm in flower, I am a drain the waste, and I make sure that every part of the root zone is covered in what I'm trying to do, whether I'm feeding or using microbes, or just an IPM treatment of some kind via H2O, etc. So anyway, I hope this answers some questions. So this is how I feed during flower, week 3. All right, guys, be well. Naked Farmer 420 out.